Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to add various maths and science symbols in Notepad of any Windows computer. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10 or older Windows operating system, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly, let me open a Notepad program. So as we all know that in our computer keyboard we don't have much maths and science symbols present. So in order to add various maths and science symbols like degree, alpha, beta, etc. symbols in our Notepad program, what you need to do is just click on the Windows Start menu icon, and in the search box just search for one program name as character map. As you can see here, just search this program name as character map. Just click on it. Now it will open up the character map. So you can see here tons of symbols. So if you find difficulty in finding which maths or science symbols you want to have, then you can just click on this advanced view option, and now you will get one option here, search for. Just click on here and say I want to add a degree symbol on my Notepad, right? So I'll just type a degree and hit enter. So now it will show you the degree symbol. So now what you can do is say I want to add a degree after the numeric 2. So what I will do is you can just drag this degree on the Notepad. So you can see here we have finally added the degree. Similarly, you can do the same thing. Say I want to add a beta symbol. Now just type beta and hit enter. Now you can see here beta symbols. Just drag it so you can see here. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add various maths and science symbols in Notepad of any Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.